ICE cannot enter your home without a valid warrant. And here's how you protect your rights. Hi, I'm Jennifer, immigration lawyer based out of Boston. Let's get into it. ICE cannot enter your home unless they have a valid warrant that was signed by a judge. A warrant signed by ICE is not enough. It must come from a court, not an ICE detainer notice. If ICE knocks at your door, do not open the door. Opening it may be seen as giving consent to enter your home. Ask to see the warrant through a window or let them slide it under the door. Once they do, check the warrant carefully. If it does not have your correct name or address, it is a legally defective warrant and it is not valid. If ICE still enters without a warrant, state very clearly, I do not consent to this search. Remain silent. You are not required to answer questions about your immigration status. If you are arrested, request a lawyer immediately and do not sign anything without legal advice. ICE often relies on people not knowing their rights, and you can protect yourself by staying informed. Make sure to give us a follow and stay informed.